Welcome to my YouTube channel Science and Innovative Brain. Today we will talk about the Variac, what is the Autotransformer, Variac and Dimmerstate. Okay, so we'll start here. What is the Variac, Autotransformer, Dimmerstate? All are same thing only, and now we'll talk about the single phase. Okay, after this video we'll go for the practical and I will show you practically how the voltage is varying. Okay, so in the this Variac, what is there in the Variac? One pointer is there and my coil is there. So this is my Variac and this is my pointer, and here the coil is there. So coil is like this. It is starting here like this, and this is my other terminal. So in this my pointer is there and output is there. So from the common neutral point I will take some voltage from whenever I am changing this knob position from 0 to another position. So I will get my output voltage is change. So my output voltage is variable that time. Okay, so as per the rotation I will get the output voltage, that is variable voltage. Okay, so in this transformers, what is there? So we'll go for the basic theory. Okay, then what in the basic theory, we'll take one transformer. This is the auto transformer. In this transformer, in auto transformer, only single winding is there. Okay, there is no other winding. In the single winding we will use a secondary in single winding is using for the secondary winding also. Okay, so in this pointer is there. This is a pointer and this is the common neutral. Both this is the neutral, this is also neutral. So in this point I will get the output voltage V0, and I am giving the V input voltage, that if you are giving 220 volt. Okay, this is my input voltage 220 volt. So this is my phase, this is neutral. I am giving here the 220 volt. Okay, and here I am getting the voltage depending on the turns ratio. So total turns of the transformer is N1 is from this position to this position, and same variable terminal, same winding terminal will take as a output terminal, so secondary terminal. So this is my N2 terminal. Okay, so the ratio, how the ratio transform as per the transformer ratio, V1 upon V0, V1 or V in upon V0 is equal to N1 upon N2. That is a basic transformer equation. Okay, so in this, now we are talking about the step down auto transformer. Okay, so in this case my voltage is, if you given the 230 volt, let us assume my turns in total turns is N1 is 100 turns. Okay, N2 is nearby 0 to, it will go maximum 100. So N2 is variable terminal. It is varying from 0 to maximum, it will go to 100 only. Okay, because this is my total terminal. So N2 is varying from, N2 is equal to 0 to N1. Okay, whatever the N1 terminal is there. So we'll calculate the value, how much output voltage is coming. So output voltage is, if we put the value here, 220 divided by V output is equal to N1 we taken as 100. Okay, N2 is varying from 0 to N1. So we'll calculate here. So V output is equal to 220 multiply by N2 divided by 100. Okay, from this formula. So we'll calculate. So this becomes 0 and this. So V0 is equal to 2.2 into N2. This is the main formula for this transformer. Okay, so now N2 is varying from 0 to N1. If my N2 is 0, my output is V0 is equal to 0. It means when my pointer is near to neutral, my output is 0. When my pointer is going from 0 to maximum is N1, my output voltage is for the N2 is equal to N1 is equal to 100. Then my output voltage is V0 is equal to 2.2 multiply by N2 is N1, it become 100. Then my output voltage is 220 volt. Okay, it means in this situation my output pointer is at this point, so I am taking the output from same the input, so my both output input voltage is same and it is variable only. Okay, so in this manner we can vary the output voltage. Okay, now we'll go for the step up. In step up, how the voltage is going to step up. Okay, so again I will show you. Same transformer having maximum turn, this is my turns, okay, and this is my common neutral for the both primary and secondary, and this is my this terminal, and this here I am given the phase, and this is my neutral, and this is my variable terminal, that is called V output, and this is V in. I am giving 220 volt input. Okay, and this is up to this point, so the total turn is here, N2 is from here to this point, and N1 is from up to this point to this point. So this is my step up transformer. So this is step up auto TRF. TRF means transformer. Okay, so how the output voltage is same, V1 upon V2 is equal to N1 upon N2. V1 in place of V1 will write V in place of V2 will write V out. Okay, so V out is, in this scenario, V out is equal to V in multiply by N2 divide by N1. Okay, so in this case N1 is lesser than N2. You can see here N2 is more, N1 is less. In this case N2 is more than N1. So whenever the voltage is, let us assume my N1 is 100 and N2 is 200 or 110, I will write 110. Okay, 110 my N2. So what is the output? We'll calculate here. My output is here V naught is equal to V in is 220 multiply by N2. N2 is 110 divide by N1 is 100. Okay, so this will cancel out. Now we'll calculate. So V naught is equal to 242 volt. Okay, so I am given here 220 volt, but I am getting the output voltage is 242. So this is the voltage is getting step up output. So my output is increased, so my this transformer given the output is more. So this is the step up transformer. Now we'll go for the practical. Okay, we'll go for the. So friends, this is the Variac. Okay, in this is the output terminal and the input terminal is this one. Okay, I am connected to here, and this plug top is connected to my mains only. So now I will go for the, I will show the voltage output, the voltage, variable voltage, how the voltage is varying. So this wire I taken from output from this terminal to in this socket only, and this through this multimeter will see the output voltage. So I am keeping this multimeter in the AC. So this is, we turn on the output terminal. You can see the input is on, and here the output is coming. So we'll see the output voltage. We'll measure the output voltage in this terminal. So this is coming approximately 13 volt, and here also we'll turn on this and we'll see the output voltage is, so output voltage is 24 volt. Output voltage is 1.6 volt. So because this is in zero position only, so now we'll change the we'll vary the voltage. So output voltage is 12 volt, here also 12 volt, and here also 12 volt. If you see here, the output voltage is 12 volt. Okay, so say here we'll see this LED light is not glowing because the voltage is very less. This LED is kept for the 220 volt. Okay, so now I am wearing the output voltage. So see, you can see the output voltage is 24 volt and LED started glowing. So 220 volt, 24 volt, 55, 64 volt, 72 volt, 82 volt, 90, 102, 125, 143, 160. So in this manner the output voltage is varying. So if you see here, the output voltage is 224, maximum it is going, we'll see, the maximum it is going 260, 294, 296 volt is maximum voltage. Okay, we'll see the input voltage, how much input is coming. So this is in under step up, it is going step up voltage. So we'll see the output input voltage, how much input is there in this plug top. We'll see the output. So we'll see the input voltage, how much input is there. See, input is 268 volt. Okay, and output we are checking. So output is 290, 298, 299 volt. So this is step up. Okay, so this is step up. Now we'll go for the nominal voltage 268. So this is my 268, whatever the input is coming. Here the input voltage is coming more only, so we'll reduce the voltage to as per nominal voltage 220, 220 or 223. Okay, so in this manner my Variac is working. Okay, thank you. Please watch my videos and like and share it to everybody. Okay, thank you.